Hello, Spartan fans, and welcome back to NSUSpartans.com. Norfolk State today falls to Rutgers here in Piscataway, New Jersey, 38-0. This is the wrap-up show fueled by Gatorade. Ross Gordon, the voice of Norfolk State University football, here today, high above High Point Solutions Stadium at Norfolk State University right now. Falls to 0-2 after a 38-point defeat here at Rutgers. Norfolk State started off well defensively, offensively struggled, only amassing 133 yards of total offense today. The Spartans were led by Deuce Finch, another solid outing. He had a 36-yard run today, but ended up the day with only 46 yards. The Spartans ended up with 74 passing yards, not much as the Spartans offensively struggled to throw the football with 3 quarterbacks used today. Omari Timmons got his first action as a Spartan. Also, Norfolk State defensively in that first quarter gave up 3 touchdowns, all aided by short fields. One an interception, also a block punt thrown in there, and then another short field for the Scarlet Knights gave them a 21-0 lead going into the second quarter. The Spartans defense held firm in the end of the second quarter as the Spartans tried to make sure that they did not give up any points in the second quarter, and did, as a field goal at the last second went awry for the Scarlet Knights. In the second half, the Spartans gave up 17 points. Not much doing in the second half for either team, but if you're Norfolk State, the Spartans defense gave up over 200 yards rushing. Paul James ended up with 3 touchdowns on 119 yards rushing. Also, the Scarlet Knights as a team threw for a touchdown as well. That was Gary Nova's 6th of the year. Norfolk State University has a bye week next week before Charleston Southern comes into Dick Price Stadium. For everyone here, I'm Ross Gordon. Thank you for watching NSUSpartans.com. The Spartans fall 38-0, fueled by Gatorade.